are moving right along through this tutorial series, which is designed to teach you how to model in Blender with simple projects. And today we are going to look at how to make a pillar inside of Blender. This is one of my absolute favorite exercises to show people because it really touches on one of the most used things that you'll do in Blender, which is extruding and scaling. This is basically how you can create a lot of different models of things, and I use it all the time, literally all the time. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come and I'm going to go ahead and add a circle this time. This can also be done with a plane, but for a pillar here I generally use a circle. And as you can see, I get a 2D shape here. I can also come here and change the amount of vertices that the circle has, but the default is good with 32. I can also change the location and some other stuff as well. And I have this very nice circle here. Now I can go ahead and click the scale tool. If I click the center here, I'll scale on all axes equally. And if I don't want to do that and I just want to scale it here, I would drag X, Y. But as you may know, you cannot scale a circle up because it's a two-dimensional shape. So there is no scaling on the Z axis. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into edit mode, and as you can see I have all the vertices selected. If you do not have all the vertices selected, then click A and it will select all the vertices. And the first thing I need to do in order to make this pillar is to fill this circle, and I'm going to do that by clicking F to fill, and that basically fills the entire circle just like that. And now it's time to use the extrude tool. Now we looked at the extrude tool last time in creating a square pyramid, but it's going to be a little bit different this time. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to click extrude here, and I'm going to extrude up, and then when I'm done extruding, in order to add some detail, I'm going to come here and click scale, and I'm going to click the circle here and just scale. And basically, I'm going to repeat this process over and over again to create the detail on my pillar. Except this time, I'm going to click E to extrude and then S to scale. I'm going to say that again. E to extrude, S to scale. And watch just how quickly I can come here and just make a really, really nice looking pillar just by doing these simple things here. So again, I'm clicking E to extrude a new shape and then S to scale out another shape. And there you have it. Right, so again, the whole goal of that was just to show very simply how I can come and just click E to extrude and S to scale to make a very, very quick, simple pillar, right? This pillar, obviously, you can kind of design this what you want or call it what you want, but I think it looks pretty much like a pillar. I did bevel it here at the end. You don't have to do that. It's an optional step to make it look more like a pillar, but there you have it. If you have any questions on this, this is again one of the things I do so much when I'm 3D modeling. This is without the bevel. This is one of the things I do so much when I'm 3D modeling is I simply create things by clicking E to extrude and then S to scale, and it's a really, really quick way to just design something really, really fast. So there you have it, simple pillar. You can change the material if you want. But if you have any questions on how I created this, please let me know in the comments, and I will see you all